Hi Mark, I want to thank you for sending in your material for testing on our die cutting presses. I've got a steel rolled die here. It's got 4.5 inch circles with an outer perimeter of 4 inches each side. Now this has a total lineal inches of 45 inches. So this is getting close to the max. We have a 60-inch max on the 700. Now I'm going to show you, your material is very, very tough. I don't think this is going to work. I'm going to give it a shot here. Nope. We just barely got a few lines in there, if you can see that. It's just a score, basically. Now, what I'm going to do is move it over to the 1500. The same amount. Now, you have a maximum of 120 inches on this one. That one just doesn't have the tonnage you need to get through your product here. I'm going to go ahead and slide this in. If you heard that pop, that normally tells you punched through your material. And as you can see, punched out very nicely. Now these have little tick marks in here so that the pieces don't fall out readily. You have to kind of pull them out. Now your dies, whatever pattern you use, can be manufactured to cut all the way through if that's what's needed. Now this one has a 45 inches on it. Now what I'm going to do is I've got another die, and I'm not real sure how many inches this has on it, but I'm going to try to cut 2 of these patterns out with the other piece of material. I may even go ahead and do 3 since I've got a big enough piece. We'll set this off to the side here for a minute. This die here, we're going to lay down. Slide that in. Yep, as you can see, this die is the same, and I believe this one has quite a few more inches in it. But as you can see, it cut the patterns out very, very cleanly around the edges. Now this was 3 big pieces here, so I'm not quite sure what the lineal inches on this die is. I will send you this video and we'll talk about it. Thank you, Mark.